Hey there, Licknriffers, how are you doing? After I uploaded the demonstration for the cool chord progression that I taught you last week, some patrons on my Patreon asked me for a lesson on the slapping patterns and the slapping techniques that I used. So here we go. This is for you, Mahmoud, Jake, and Miriam. So the first one of the two slapping patterns, the first one is one of my actual favorites because it's very dynamic. You can really go crazy with it and create your own variations. And the second one is really challenging, so it's a good technique builder, the Bossa Nova one. So let's start with the easier one, the simpler one. First of all, you pick 4 notes, okay? We were on A minor, so pick any 4 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And then you slap, okay? Then you pick 3 more notes. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, slap 2, 3, 4. And this might sound simplistic, but it's anything but, because these 4 notes can be anything you want. These 4 notes can be bass chord bass or chord bass chord. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, slap chord bass chord. See? You can create so many variations out of this. You see? Bass, note, chord, chord. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then slap, and then it's chord, 4th string, and then chord. You see, anything goes. The rhythmical pattern might be simple, 1, 2, 3, 4, slap 2, 3, 4, but your execution can vary widely between to this. And remember, you don't have to play every note. You can skip some notes. You don't have to play all 8 notes in the pattern. See? The important thing is that the slapping pattern repeats. It's always 1, 2, 3, 4, slap 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, slap 2, 3, 4. And the more space you give, the more elaborate it sounds, even though it's the same pattern. And now let's move on to the Bossa Nova rhythm. Now there's a musical pattern that goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, it's a really important pattern to know. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, and if we're on A minor, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. The slapping occurs on the ones. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now, it's your choice whether to slap all 3 ones. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Or do what I did, which is to slap the second and third ones. Okay, the first, just a second. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And this gives it a little bit more breathing space instead of just slapping all the time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's more slapping than playing. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And again, you can just randomize what you play. Single notes, any string works. Harmonies, you can pick 2 strings simultaneously, 3 strings simultaneously. It's all about the rhythm pattern. Okay? So go ahead, try this yourself, and let me know how it goes in the comment section. And remember, you can join my Patreon. There are actually full Licknriff courses there waiting for you. And as always, every week, I'm hosting a live broadcast called From Amateur to Awesome. You can join me there as well. So save your spot. Okay, the link is in the description. So Go enjoy some slapping. And I'll see you the next lesson. Bye for now. Have fun.